This is my drawing of Serena from Pokemon XY, and today I'm going to guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Welcome back everyone, and thanks for joining me today. We're going to begin in the center of our page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Let's leave a gap in the center. Starting over on the left along the top, we're going to draw an oval coming down toward the bottom of the eye and then pull that back up towards the top. Now let's move all the way over towards the right and do the same thing. So we're going to line up the top of that oval, bring it down towards the same height, and then back up. Along the top of each eye, let's draw a smaller oval for a highlight. And then in the center of the eye, we're going to draw a smaller oval in the middle and fill that in black for the pupils. Let's go to the bottom. We're going to draw a straight line going across, just touching the bottom edge of the eye. Let's go up to the top and draw on the eyelid. We're going to start from the left side of the eye and curve this up, round this out, and then pull that down a little bit shorter on the inside, and then do the exact same thing on the right, going around the eye and then down along the side. Let's add in the lashes. On the left side, curl this out and up. Now we're going to be adding 3 on each side. Let's add a small fold along the inside of the eyes. And then in between the eyes, right in the middle, we're going to add a curve for the nose. We're going to bend this out towards the right and back in. Let's go all the way down, add another curve coming down and up across the mouth. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw the front edge of the hat. Starting over on the left side, we're just going to line up at the top of the eyes, bend this up in the middle, go across and then down. Now underneath the hat brim, we're going to draw the eyebrows. We're going to bend this in and then down on both sides. Let's move over, draw the outside of the eyebrows coming down. Now just outside the face, we're going to draw the inside edge of the hair. So let's start at the top. We're going to bend this in, come around, and then bend that out. Let's add another curve. We're going to step up, curve this in, down and out, and just curl that up toward the inside, and we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's draw in the chin. We'll start over on the left side, curve this down, and then in towards the middle. Let's round up the chin, go up in an angle towards the right, and then in behind the hair. Let's continue with the hair. We're going to add a point. Curling this down and then out. Now from the left side, curl this in, come all the way down, and then bend that up towards the side. Let's go back up to the top and draw the outside of the hair. From this point, we're going to curve this down and out, and then bend that back in. Let's step back on the left, curl this around, come down, and curl that up towards the end. I'm just going to bring that back in towards the side. Let's add one more layer across the bottom. So we're going to step over, curl this in, and bend that back out, and just tuck that in underneath. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw the side of the hat. From this point, we're going to step in behind the head, bend this out, and then up towards the top of the hat brim. Let's go back to the side. We're going to round this out, curve this across, and then down towards the right, and then round out the corner. From the top corners of the hat, let's step in, draw the hat going around, and then up towards the top. And we'll close off the top of the hat with a curve, going up the middle, and then back down. Now over on the right side, we're going to draw in that bow. We're going to start from the side. Let's add the knot, curving this up, bend this down towards the bottom. Now from this top point, we're going to go up and in, round this out, and come down. Go to the outside, draw the outside of the bow, going out and then down. Now we're going to add a ribbon across the bottom, going across and then in behind that bow. We're going to add some texture inside the hat, starting on the left side. We want to add 3 curves, just coming across. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to add some across the front of the hat brim. So we're going to add 3 on the left, and I'm just going to add 2 on the right. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the neck. We're going to start over on the left side of the chin, come straight down toward the bottom, do the same thing on the right. Now from here, we're going to step up, curve the shoulders, coming down and out in behind the hair. Now I'm going to add a little bit more detail to the body. We're going to start with the straps, starting from the top of the shoulder, come straight down in behind the hair, continue down towards the bottom. Let's add some thickness to that strap along the outside. And then we'll add in the collar, starting from the left side, bend this down and up, and then in the middle, split the collar coming down, and we'll bend this up in behind those straps, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Serena from Pokemon XY. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.